Hi everybody, Brody here from the chopping block again. Today we're going to marinate and grill a butterflied leg of lamb. I'm going to show you how to cut it into sections and marinate the pieces individually, just so they cook a little bit more evenly, because there's some sections that are a little thinner than the others. You're perfectly welcome to ask the butchers to do this for you. They'd be happy to take care of you. So here's your boneless butterflied leg of lamb. We're going to start by segmenting it and taking it up all into the individual muscles. We started here with the top sirloin, going into the outside flat, sirloin tip, and the inside round. So we're going to go through each little muscle here and take off any of the veins, sinew, or otherwise nasty bits that we don't want to eat. Being careful to make sure that to not get rid of too much of the fat. Fat is your friend. You don't have to eat it at the end, but it definitely helps in the cooking process. So here I'm just kind of scoring all the muscles about ½ centimeter into the meat. I want to create space for that marinade to really permeate into the meat, and I also want to help even out the cooking process. So now for the fun part. Here we've got some roasted garlic and olive oil, and some fresh herbs, and some coarse sea salt, or flaked sea salt. I'm gonna run it all through the mortar and pestle, smash it up a little bit, get it into a nice little paste. You're gonna have to bear with me here. So now we're going to take our garlic, herb, and sea salt paste, take half of it, rub it onto the one side, really taking some time to work it into all those score marks that you made. Now we're going to sprinkle some extra coarse sea salt on top, flip it over, and same thing on the other side. So I like to flip it over a couple of times, really working that marinade into the meat. And then from there, it's going to hit the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight's better, but at the very least 4 hours. And from the fridge, you're going to take it out, let it rest on the counter for about 20 minutes, and then go straight to the grill. Fat side down. So I'm not much of a time guy. I definitely go by feel here. Best indication is that it's separating from the grill and not sticking, and you got some nice color. You're going to want to turn it over again, leave it nice, low and slow. I think this was about 15 to 20 minutes. And now your best indicator is temperature. You want to take this to 130, 135 internal temperature. And that's why we separated the muscles, because there was two little thinner ones that cooked a lot faster than the thicker ones. So once all the pieces have come up to the proper temperature, you're going to take them off and you're going to rest them for 15 to 20 minutes at least on a rack, so that they're up off a tray and not kind of sitting in their own juices. After that 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to take them and put them back on the grill just to kind of warm up a little bit. So there you have it, a butterflied leg of lamb with roasted garlic, fresh herbs, and olive oil. Here I'm serving it with some grilled zucchinis and a spinach and cauliflower salad.